Okra is a nutritious food with numerious health benefits. It is high in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, K1, and A1. The vitamins and minerals in okra are beneficial in our health. 1. Anti-cancer properties. Due to high antioxidant content in okra, some may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and arthritis. 2. Rich in nutrients. Okra is a nutrient-dense food. It is low in calories and high in fiber. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and minerals like potassium and magnesium. 3. May help control blood sugar. Some research suggests that okra may help lower blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The soluble fiber in okra can slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. Enjoying this video so far? Like and share. 4. Supports heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in okra may help in lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Okra is also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 5. Contient antioxydants. Okra is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. 6. Promotes weight loss. Okra is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a filling food that can help you feel satisfied for longer periods. Adding okra as part of a balanced meal plan may help in weight management. 7. Aid in digestion. The high fiber content of okra can aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. This can help prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. 8. Supports bone health. Okra contains vitamin K, which plays an important role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and promoting bone mineralization. Including okra in your diet can help maintain strong and healthy bones. 9. Improves skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in okra contribute to healthier skin by promoting collagen production, reducing wrinkles, and protecting against damage from UV radiation and environmental pollutants. 10. Boosts immune function. The vitamin C content in okra helps boost the immune system by supporting the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. 11. Alleviates asthma symptoms. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in okra may help alleviate symptoms of asthma by reducing airway inflammation and improving lung function suggested by some researchers. 12. Aids in pregnancy. Okra is a good source of folate, vitamin B9, which is essential for fetal development during pregnancy. Adequate folate intake can help prevent neural tube defects and support overall maternal and fetal health. 13. Improves vision. Okra contains vitamin A and other antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. These nutrients help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and improve night vision. 14. Regulates blood pressure. The potassium content in okra helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and relaxing blood vessels. Consuming okra as part of a balanced diet may help lower high blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 15. Enhances brain function. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in okra may have neuroprotective effects, helping to improve cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. If you learned something from this video, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon.